All right, hit it.
Oh, hey. By now you may or may not have heard, but Perry's, the favorite ice cream of my childhood, growing up in Binghamton, New York, now has an Oats cream. It's an ice cream made with oat milk, made from Elmhurst, which is in Elma, New York. So this is a New York product through and through to me. And I'm so excited about this flavor, peanut butter coffee cake, but I'm also excited about all of the other incredible flavors that Perry's is rolling out with their Oats cream. There's a blueberry pancake, there's a latte flavor, there is this peanut butter coffee cake flavor. There are 7 total flavors, and I can only think of 3 of them right now, but they're incredible. You've got to try this ice cream. So Perry sent me the flavors to try out. I'm gonna do a full tasting video this coming weekend, post it next week. This is really an amazing product. I actually got to try this one, a little bite of this one. You don't even need a bowl, you just need a spoon. And in fact, a spoon is kind of even too fancy. You should just stick your face right in this pint and get your oats cream right in your mouth. So enjoy. This is Eric, Skeptical Vegan, coming to you with Perry's Oats cream. Man, that's good. You could taste the peanut butter, you could taste the coffee cake. This is like something that Willy Wonka would come up with. These flavors are incredible. Get yourself some Perry's Oats cream today.